Ever pondered about starting a rooftop garden? Imagine having your very own green oasis amidst an urban landscape, a place where you can grow your own food, improve air quality, and reduce your carbon footprint. Today, we're going to walk you through the steps of creating a rooftop garden, a process that's simpler than you might think. First and foremost, assess your space. Evaluate your roofop's suitability for gardening. Does it get enough sunlight? Is there access to water? Can it handle the weight of containers or raised beds? These are all vital questions to consider before you begin. Next, focus on selecting your containers. Lightweight, durable containers with proper drainage are key. Consider using pots, grow bags, or even raised beds. Remember, the sky is the limit when it comes to your creativity. Now let's talk about soil preparation. A high-quality potting mix is essential for a thriving garden. You can create your own by combining compost, vermiculite, and peat moss. The goal is to have well-draining soil to prevent waterlogging. When it comes to selecting seeds, it's crucial to choose plants that are well-suited to your climate and rooftop conditions. Herbs like basil, mint, and parsley, as well as vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, lettuce, and radishes, are excellent options for rooftop gardens. Planting comes next. Follow the instructions on the seed packets for the appropriate planting depth and spacing. You can sow seeds directly into containers or start seedlings indoors and transplant them later. Watering and maintenance are pivotal parts of rooftop gardening. Keep your garden adequately watered, especially during hot weather. Stay vigilant for pests and diseases, addressing any issues promptly. Regularly fertilize your plants to ensure healthy growth. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for, harvesting. Enjoy the fruits of your labor by picking fresh produce as it ripens. Regular harvesting encourages continued growth and productivity. Apart from providing fresh organic produce, rooftop gardening can also help reduce your carbon footprint, improve air quality, and create a green oasis in urban environments. By incorporating rooftop gardening into your lifestyle, you can reap the benefits of homegrown produce while also contributing to sustainability efforts. Plus, it's a great way to connect with nature and enjoy the therapeutic benefits of gardening. So, are you ready to start your rooftop garden? Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, or in this case, a single seed. It's time to roll up your sleeves and create your very own rooftop oasis. Happy gardening!